Before replacing the display, we're going to remove the battery from the GTR. Use diagonal pliers to cut the tie on the main cord. Unplug the connection of the waterproof plug on the main cord. And remove the wire wrap tube. Use a 3mm Allen wrench. Remove the cover and plastic cover from the controller compartment. Cut the ties here with diagonal pliers. Remove the original main wires. Replace them with new main wires. Secure these wires with tie wraps. Remove the TFT display with a 3mm Allen wrench and replace it with the center display. Then connect all the main wires according to the same color. Secure them with zip ties. And rewrap them back together with the removed wire wrap tubing. Finally, put back the battery. Put the controller cover back on, being careful not to crush the wires.